In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Crumbl cookie coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here and search for Crumbl cookie coupon promo codes. Right here, you'll have this website which is called WordPenny, and as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if I want to get this 30% of discount for my first order, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here. And now I'm waiting for the voucher code to load up. And after that, I can copy this promo code and I can apply it to my first purchase to get a discount. So I'm going to select right here and copy this promo code, and I can use it on my first purchase to get a discount. Also, we have this website right here, which is called retrieve.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this free cookie voucher, all you have to do is select copy code right here. This is the promo code. You can copy the discount code from right here and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.